Editing is to polish up your writing so it is pleasant for the consumer. The biggest difference between editing and proofreading is that editing is something that requires much more interactiveness, it's much more subjective, while proofreading is typically the icing on the cake and it can be automated towards someone else. My three-step process for editing equals 1, fix the red lines, 2, eliminate junk, and 3, mentally reread the content until all the kinks have been ironed out. Before I can edit something, I need a rough draft of the work. Typically, I'm not going to start the rough draft until I know a lot about the topic. Once I know a lot about the topic, I have one goal in mind with my rough draft. Get my ideas from mind to reality. I don't care about cleanliness. I don't care about spelling, grammar, punctuation, all of that. I'll take care of that later. With the rough draft, I try to write it quick and I try to overwrite. Once the rough draft is complete, that's when I'm looking at the Microsoft document. I fix all the red lines, which are the errors, such as the spelling errors. I fix that in my first iteration. Then secondly, I eliminate a lot of the junk that does not add to the point. And for the third part, I continuously reread the content mentally, and I wait for my body to alert me if there's a certain kink. I consider it a kink if it's a form of expression that I wrote in that doesn't sound like me. I'll keep on reading it and reading it and reading it until all the kinks are ironed out and I am happy with my work.